Good morning. My name is Varun Verma and I develop apps for fun for learning. I have developed an app called Phone Bill Analyzer. This application helps you to analyze your phone bills, your mobile bills. Now, all the service providers they provide you with a detailed statement of your mobile bill. But the problem is that this statement has only the phone numbers. It does not know the contact names. So when you look at your phone bill, you see a list of numbers, the call date, the call time, the duration, but you don't know who the person is. So here we use the phone bill and we map the phone numbers in the phone bill to the contacts in your phone book, in your mobile or in your tablet, wherever you are using this application. And thus, we simplify the way you look at your phone bill and we simplify the way you understand your phone bill. So let's start by uploading and analyzing one such bill. On your screen here you have a Windows application. This application you can download from Windows Store. Look at the link to download this application from Windows Store on your YouTube video screen. So when you come to the home right now, there are no bills to analyze. So we'll start by uploading a bill. You have a button on the toolbar to upload the bill. You have to tell the application who is the service provider, because every service provider has a different bill format. So let's take an example of Singtel postpaid bill. Browse the phone bill on your computer. Now remember, we accept only the PDF formats and the bill has to be provided by your service provider. Do not scan a printed bill and upload here, because when you scan a printed bill, it's just an image, it does not have a text. So use the PDF bill that is provided by your service provider. Sometimes the phone bills are protected with a password. So if it is locked with a password, you can enter the password here. Otherwise, you can simply start to analyze the bill. So we press the button read and analyze the bill. The system will now read your phone bill and it will try to read and understand the format of the bill and will read the contents. So super, we have read your bill and now you can analyze it. So let's close this box and go back to your home screen. Home. Now you can see there is a bill that we just read and it is available here. Now click on this bill to start your analysis. Now here you see these are your phone numbers where you have made the calls and this is the amount. Okay, now you still see the phone numbers. You are not seeing the phone names. That is because we have not yet mapped the phone numbers with the names. So you can do that automatically by coming to the contacts. So when you come to the contacts, you see the phone numbers, contact names and the contact group. Now you can simply use this button here, so sync from device. So here in this step, the system will read or will map your phone numbers with the contact names on your device and will populate them here. So let's do that. Super, now your contacts are mapped. So now you can see for some of the phone numbers which are there on my phone book, the name has automatically been copied. Now if a phone number is not there, if a contact is not saved in your directory, you can simply enter the name here itself. So let's say this is a voicemail number. So I just give it a voicemail and then I save. So once I save, I can now see the names of the contacts here. So suddenly now you can see that these are the names here. So this is just a summary by contacts. Okay, you can come here and look at the itemized bill. So here you have your itemized bill statement. So the name, the date and the time when you made the call, the amount, and whether it was an incoming call or an outgoing call. Okay, so here for example you can just type the name and the system will filter only the calls made to that contact. So here you can see I made calls to this contact Nidhi Verma on 14th December at this time, and the amount of that call was 32 cents, and it was a incoming call or an outgoing call. Okay. Now here you can see the top 5 contacts, and here you can see the contact group summary. So here right now I have not grouped any contacts into a contact group, but if you have done, you can see the summary by contacts, so by contact groups. So for example, you can group your contacts into contact groups like family, friends, co-workers, or acquaintances. The advantage is that here you can easily identify how much of the money you have spent on your personal calls versus what is the amount of money that you have spent on, let's say, your company contact. So you can easily segregate the amount spent on family and friends versus the amount spent on others. So just like that, you can upload any number of bills. Right now we support only Singtel from Singapore, and from India we support Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance, and Tata Docomo. So this is a free application for you to use, and in the free application you can analyze only one bill at a time. And if you want to analyze multiple bills, we request you to please upgrade to our premium service. You can upgrade to our premium service by clicking here. I have already upgraded to premium service, so I don't see an option, but otherwise you will see an option to upgrade. So even if you don't upgrade, the application is still free for you to use. You can analyze any number of bills. You can analyze only one bill at a time. That is a simple restriction that we have put. If you need any help, you can just come to the settings and read about our privacy statement and read about our application, and you will also get some help here. So that is all, friends. I hope you like the application, and if you like the application, do leave us a feedback on the link. You can download this application from your Windows Store. The link to download the application is there on your YouTube screen. Thank you.